Okay, so yeah, I removed this thing. All it is two pieces of plastic, and it coils up. The cable does one of these numbers, like a snake deal, like this. It goes like that, and this line here is where it slides in. This is a plastic hard tube. So I've seen them break on the other one down there, but my wires were okay. I found one broken wire in there. I did some repairs. Hey man, let's just let it go. There wasn't a module there. ChatGPT said it was a module. I checked the Volkswagen badge on VCDS, and it's operating, but hey man, it doesn't open. Don't know why it doesn't open, but if I was to press it now, it would close. I know that the switch works. There isn't any broken wires. Not sure what to do, but anyway, this is what it's like under there. My lamp assembly wasn't working. This is the reverse light bulb. That is not LED, obviously. You can change the bulbs. Mine are working, so I'm going to leave it. This is an American spec, so this has an additional plug for that aluminous lever there. You can repair this, make sure everything's good. I managed to do it. I used some wax tie string to keep the harness really tight. It works really good. All right then, that's it for now. All right, there's also these modules here which I have no idea what they're for. Oh, well, what I do is every time I see a module, I get the part number off it and I write on it with a marker pen. All right.